Hey guys, so today we're making tiramisu, me and Bianca. We got all the ingredients right here. Very excited because also you must be like, are you wearing that flannel again? Like, yes, this is my emotional support flannel right now because I've been wearing it almost like every day because it's like, just makes me feel good. So I need to order more, but this has been my little, you know, people have like support blankets. This is like my support flannel. So I threw it on. But we're making tiramisu. I've never made it before. I love it though. I think it's so good. Bianca, have you made it?
Yes.
Oh, she's made it before, so I never have, so this should be interesting. Also, we went to Wawa to like go get like espresso because you need it, and I also ordered like a little mini colada, like the little Cuban things, and we had also ordered 8 shots of espresso, so I was like, hey, can you actually just put all the little mini shots of espresso into 1 cup? And she thought I meant everything in 1 cup, so she mixed the colada and all of the espressos in here. And I feel like waiting for her to make it again. So that's what we're doing today. Here comes Bianca. Hey! Bianca got her hair done.
I did. I got my hair done. Got a little
So
curl.
good.
Give a moment. Give a moment. Give a moment.
My hair looks ratchet, so I'm leaving it like this right now.
It's wash week.
It's wash week.
Tell me where we're going.
No, so we're going to Bianca's parents' house tonight. What are we doing there? Just like
Barbecue.
Oh, we're having a barbecue.
Argentinian barbecue.
Argentinian barbecue. So we're bringing dessert. Yeah, this is a very long intro. Sorry guys. Let's just go ahead and get into it. All right guys, so to start, we're doing what?
We're making the sambachon, which is essentially the fluff that goes between the lady fingers.
Which is
Lady fingers.
so you're gonna need sugar,
Cacao.
lady fingers,
mascarpone cheese,
eggs,
egg yolks, and
boiling
coffee.
water, and espresso.
Oh yeah, espresso. And if you want espresso,
And coffee liqueur, but Antonio didn't want to stop to get it.
So we can't blame me for this one.
Yeah. So hopefully it turns out okay without it. I think that's a very staple ingredient that you need, but
I think so too, but Antonio thought otherwise.
add the egg yolks and the sugar into the bowl, whipping to mixed ingredients together. Then you're gonna place the bowl on a small pot of simmering water. So basically, like, you know how you melt chocolate like over the stove? You're gonna do that, except you're gonna do that with the eggs and the sugar. 6 eggs.
One just broken by me.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna do the same thing while the water is kind of boiling.
That sounds dangerous. This is what's going on. So, she's whipping the eggs and the sugar over the hot pot now. If it doesn't come out good, no, if Antonio says that it tastes like shit, it's his fault. It is his fault. Everybody's at the pool right now, playing bocce, drinking. This is what it looks like after you like whipped it up.
Eat it.
No.
It's up.
I don't like eggs.
It doesn't taste like eggs. Taste it.
Absolutely not. I'll throw up.
You're not gonna throw
No,
up.
I legit will throw up.
No, you won't.
No, I legit will throw up. No. Okay, you try
It's
it.
like so thick. Oh, that's really good, Tiana. You're fucking up. Look, you're showing all your viewers that you're not willing to try new things.
What are you eating?
I'm not eating, I'm patting my face.
Oh. She's so mean.
She
She neglected me this morning too.
Oh, here we go.
Do you want to hear what happened? Actually, I'll tell you guys. So, we went out last night to get dinner and drinks with Alyssa, right? Had a great time, chill vibes, just laughing, just, you know, having a good old grand time, as always. Get back to her house, and whenever I go there, I always leave, like if I sleep over, I leave at like 6 in the morning and they get really mad, her and my brother.
Oh, why do we get mad?
I don't know.
we get mad because she leaves without saying bye. She kind of just like Irish goodbyes at like 6 o'clock.
We all know that's my thing.
So then it's like, we like freak out. We're like, is everything okay? Like,
no,
did something happen? And she's like, no, I just feel like going home. And we're like, well, okay.
Well, because I don't want to wake them up. It's like so early. So I'm just like, you know.
You act like it would be a problem to me. I'd be happy.
I know.
It's your brother.
So she was like, don't be leaving at 6 in the morning tomorrow. Like, stay, we'll have coffee. And I was like, all right. Woke up at 6 anyway. And I was like, all right, what can I do for like an hour or so to kill time? So I'm just like sitting there. And then I was like, let me text my mom. I was talking to my mom. She's like, are you okay? And I'm like, yeah. So then she texts me and she's like, are you up or whatever? And I was like, yes. I'm like, yes, she's up, right? So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go downstairs. She says, okay, do you want breakfast? And I was like, no, I just want, like, I'll take coffee though. You know, so we can have our like little chat with coffee in the morning. She says, okay, your brother's cuddling me right now though, so I'll be down in a minute. So I said, no problem, must be nice, right? So, the week that I had, you don't understand, okay guys? I will explain in another video. So I go downstairs, I'm already downstairs, and I'm like, let me get some water at least. So I have my little cup of water, and I'm sitting on the couch, don't know how to turn his TV on, so I'm sitting there at the water, just standing there, 7:20, 7:30, 7:45, 8, I'm like,
wow, they're coming a long time.
I'm like, all right, I'm going. I need coffee, I need to eat something. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna leave. Okay, not even, no, stay Tiana, we want you to stay here and have coffee and breakfast with us. No, it was just, all right, see you later. But that was my morning. Seems to be a trend of people neglecting me in my life, but. So now we just added the mascarpone.
Oh, after you just eat.
Now we're making the whipped cream. Maybe we should go on this side so there's light.
Okay, so we're gonna go on this side. Oh, look at my eyes. Hello, everybody.
So we're making the whipped cream. So you need heavy whipping cream. You need 1 and what? 1/3?
1 3/4.
Okay.
Stiff peaks. So basically you're making like whipped cream.
That's all you need for that?
Yeah.
Really?
Because then you fold it into that and that's what makes it really fluffy.
Yeah. All right, so this is the whipped cream. And now I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it in here.
Can you do the video?
Yeah. So am I folding it in? Thumbnail.
This is art. Art. Tiana, what's your #1 confession?
My heart is broken. What's yours? You're
My
in love?
confession is I'm in love and I am on a gluten-free diet.
Oh, I have another one.
And
Oh, okay.
okay. Yep. What's your confession, Tiana?
I just got my heart broken and I figured out alkaline water helps my stomach.
I haven't had a Bianca takeover in a while, so this might be my moment. Tiana, can you elaborate on your heartbreak? What's your tips learning from this? Wait, why is it not focusing?
Why is it not focused? Okay, so why is it focused?
There you go.
Okay, my #1 advice would be, in my situation, like if your gut feels something, like just say it. Like don't feel bad for like hurting someone's feelings or stressing them out, like because they're doing that to you and like you should speak up. Like don't spare someone's feelings just because whatever, because I do that all the time, so I've learned that lesson.
Really know what you want. Like, you know, if you want to find a friends with benefits with no strings attached, find that. If you want a relationship, find someone who wants a relationship. And guess what? Isn't that the fattest L someone could do? Is cheat on someone else.
And
who cheats? Don't get me wrong. You cheat on me, all right, get it.
no,
You cheat on Tiana. Ashamed of yourself. You guys, when she told me the tea,
oh,
I was not well. I was not. She had to calm me down.
Go this way because it's brighter.
She had to calm me down. She literally was like, stop, Bianca, like stop saying things that you shouldn't be saying, and I'm not gonna say them on camera, but I was saying things in the sense of, you know, karma. You know how karma, what goes around comes around? I was saying things like, well, karma is gonna do this, and karma's gonna do that, and she is a saint and never wishes bad on anyone, and me, I'm like, I hope that this happens to them. And she's like, oh my God, like, shut up. And I'm like, you know what? No, this is insane. So karma's gonna—
You look like a pear when you do that.
A pear?
Yeah, like, cause you're like, your face like up to the camera like—
Can you Photoshop a picture of me of a pear? Right here.
I will.
I do have a round face, but anyway, poor Tiana.
Y'all, I'm really hurting. Like, I'm smiling and like being strong, but like later I'll probably go cry like before I leave to Bianca's. Like,
yeah,
it's been a difficult time for me.
It has been, but you know what? We're learning, and this is the moment. Let's dance it out. Dance it out. Yep. Oh, you got that thing. Oh, okay. Yep. Can't do that. I'm gonna do this.
Right here.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
No, but I am thankful for my family, my friends for like doing their best to try to get me to be like happy and like distracted, but
so it's like, yeah, you want to make some Tiana Musarra?
Yeah, they love to call me that. I don't know why. My brother like photoshopped my face onto tiramisu like years ago, and like now he like calls me that.
You're really good on this.
I know,
did a really good job.
I know, I'm a baker.
Oh.
So what do we do now? This has become like a cooking video slash like vent
talk
session
/ podcast.
We should so do a podcast again. I want to do one so bad.
You gotta ask the fans if they want a podcast.
Do you?
If they want to listen to one, where are we gonna go through?
If you've made it this far in the video, do you want a podcast? Okay, if you've made it this far in the video, go comment, we want a podcast, and go tweet me at Tiana Musarra on Twitter and spam me with we want a podcast, we want a podcast, we want a podcast. And if we get enough,
then we'll on the podcast.
Me and Bianca will do it.
And it's funny, I see her, I think, way more than
Oh yeah.
I see my own boyfriend and I live with him. So.
Yeah, I see you all the time. All we need is one day a week.
I think I see you you see me way more often than you see Antonio.
Oh yeah, I hang out with
If you see Antonio, you say, hi, bye, and then
Yeah.
we do our own thing. Like we just
me and Bianca hang out all the time.
We weren't always besties.
We weren't. We'll talk about that on the podcast. If you tweet me, we want a podcast.
Get your face in the camera. You gotta scare him a little bit.
If you tweet me, we want a podcast. This camera is like unbelievably clear. It's kind of scaring me.
We can put a music video on that thing.
Literally.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. We do that all the time, guys. It's so stupid.
Ooh, whoa. Ooh, whoa. Oh, yeah. Antonio literally hates us together.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, whoa. Ooh, whoa. Ooh, whoa. Bo, bo, yeah.
You have to end it with like the
Fuck on. Hannah Montana. We love our Hannah Montana stands.
Oh my god, I used to be obsessed.
Who wasn't obsessed?
I know. Okay, so now all that we did,
lady fingers, and we're gonna start prepping it.
yeah, we're throwing that back in the fridge, and then it's time to start dipping the lady fingers.
Dipping these lady fingers into the espresso. We're gonna lay them out, yeah, and put the cream on top, yeah, and then do it again, yeah. Put another layer on, and then we're gonna put some cacao, yeah, unsweetened cacao, and we're gonna make tiramisu with Tiana Musarra. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh! So stupid. Okay.
Tiana Musarra.
Stop.
Tiana Baboo. gonna poop. I kinda have to go poop.
Oh.
Oh. Some lady fingers.
This is a Broadway show now. Oh,
Big
no.
fingers.
She's obsessed with Broadway. Have you ever been to an actual Broadway show?
No, but fun fact.
You never have, and you're obsessed with it that
Yeah,
much?
I've never been.
You'll hate it after.
So then,
I'm just saying, it's not like
fun fact, I can sing really well. Not to toot my own horn. So we're pouring our Wawa
Wait,
espresso.
are we dipping it in that? Because it might be easier to keep it in the cup.
No, you can't like dip. Like you can't soak it.
I know, but it might be easier just to be like, boop.
Fine, go ahead and do it. Take it out. And then what, do the end? Oh, that's soaked.
You can take the cookies and espresso and just like coat it.
Okay, yeah, so you do the whole layer first, and then you do the cream, and then we do it again.
All right, so we'll be back. Okay, so we laid the first
I kind of messed up with a couple.
Yeah, and now we're gonna take the
Mascarpone filling.
yeah, and just do a layer.
Everyone's best friend.
Oh.
Hello.
We said that if it tastes like shit, it's your fault because you wouldn't get the coffee liqueur.
Oh, okay. I'll own it. Is this edible?
Yeah. Try it.
Can I have a pinky?
Yeah, just try it.
That's really fucking good.
Thank you.
It's good shit, Morogi.
How's it going?
Any of my Superbad fans out there, they'll get the reference. If
Yes.
you didn't, Superbad, they make a tiramisu, and it comes out perfect. It's like, good shit,
Tiramisu?
Morogi.
What are they all doing?
Just sitting out the water.
Cow. I'm just kind of like tapping it over. Is it good?
Oh my god.
It's good. But if it
I
had that
can't even
coffee
eat it.
liqueur,
If we had the coffee liqueur, we would have to mix it,
It
like
tastes like
with.
there's a lot of coffee in it.
well, that one was like
it's espresso.
super dunked in the espresso.
Tiana literally dunked it for like 2 seconds and it fell apart. And I was like, yep, we can't use that.
Why is it so fluffy? It looks like a pillow cloud.
Because we did the whipped cream. We had to make whipped cream and mix it in.
You smell like sweat.
I didn't even sweat.
You smell like sweat.
No,
you know when you smell like
No,
outdoors?
you smell like outdoors.
You smell kind of sweaty.
I brought change clothes.
You should shower.
Ooh.
Why would you hit me?
Punch.
I'm your child.
Oh
Stop
my
it.
god.
Stop it.
It's a hint for the people.
Shut up. Jen, don't you want to
Two.
eat one of these?
Yeah.
I can't even eat this.
I helped with the cake.
So stupid.
I can't even eat this. Clean it up.
All right, guys. So like, it looks a little messy right now, but this is basically what's going
You can see
on.
the layers through the glass.
Yeah. So when it's like actually finished, because we have to put it in the fridge, right?
Yeah, we have to put it in the fridge. Is
Yeah.
it in the garage fridge?
I don't know. But now we're gonna put this in the fridge, let it sit there for a while, and then